There was one beautiful princess. The princess' name was Rose. Her mother, the queen, was a little bit, she was less beautiful than the princess, and the queen thought that she wanted to be a most beautiful woman in the kingdom. Then she gave a special drink. When the princess drank it, she get asleep. And when she was asleep, the queen, the queen bring it in the forest and leave it there, so she can die or eaten by animals. And when the princess get up, she saw one strange man. He had green skin and pig nose. The man said, "Don't scare you scare of me. Let me introduce. I'm Henry." The queen said, the princess said, "No, I'm not scared. I think you're cute." They had conversations. They caught a fish. They gathered berries. At the end of the day, the Henry said, "I should go, and I can't you live here. Can you go with me?" The princess said nothing. She just kissed him into his nose, and this ugly strange man became a prince that she dreamed to marry.